morning, everyone. It's Flash Friday Finance Update today. It's been the 12th of June. I'm Louise Lucas from the Property Education Company. And as some bright spark once said, today is a good day for a good day. So I just wanted to alert you to some of the changes that are happening in lending at the moment and what banks are asking for and how they're treating your income in the midst of COVID, and also what's happening with first-time buyers. So for self-employed people, if your March BAS was reasonable, but you are concerned that June might be less so, now and this month before the end of June would be the time to start borrowing. Why? Because once June's ended, they are asking for your June BAS, and that financials and the reduced financials possibly from this financial year, the current year of 2020, could be lower, and this could affect your borrowing for the next not only 12 months but 2 years. So they are asking for your trading statements right up to the minute, so get ready for that. But if you have a reasonable March and you're looking okay, then get on board quickly, so before you get asked for too much more. Also note that positive reporting, the banks can see all open credit. So that includes any credit cards where they've been sitting in the drawer and unused for years. They can see any Zip Pay, Afterpay. They're trawling through your statements looking for things like online betting and anything that would upset the apple cart. Also, sometimes they're asking for an extra pay slip after you've received an approval and just before settlement to check you're still employed. So be ready for that, to get that sort of documentation quickly to us. It's one of those painful parts of the process. I know everyone hates having to give us everything, and we hate asking because you feel like such a nag, but that's the process, unfortunately. And finally, for first-home buyers, if you have only a small deposit and we're hoping to capitalise on the government first-home buyers deposit scheme, unfortunately, all places currently have been taken. However, it's worth, if you're thinking you might still need it, getting in a pre-approval and waiting to see whether someone else doesn't use their place, which is quite likely because there's not as much stock on the market. So it's been hard for some people to get in, and they will have lost their opportunity. Or they might have lost their job and they might not be able to proceed, but they might not have told their lender that they can't borrow, so they still have reserved a place. Well, if you want to take advantage of that, call us and we can get that pre-approval organised for you. So have a wonderful weekend this mid-June, heading right into winter. I wish I was like in Fiji or Hawaii, like this beautiful background that I've got from Zoom, but I long to be there as soon as the opportunity comes, or hopefully even Queensland. Anyway, have a wonderful weekend and thanks for listening.